guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Just gonna try something a bit new today. I'm gonna try cassava for the pigs. So we've got cassava in the back here of the house. We planted about a month ago, 2 months ago. No, not a month ago, about a year ago. So we're just gonna harvest them. These were the ones planted by Wati and Loy during the COVID lockdown. So it's been about a year. I'm just gonna uproot them, see how we go. We did, thank goodness we got our order for Thanksgiving, so that made it all the way to American Samoa. So really great, we got that on time. Just gonna try and get some pig food, looking for alternative pig feed for our pigs. So trying out cassava. As you can see, we've actually got quite a lot planted around here. At the back of the house, got some here, some on there as well. You see there, Loy there, Loy and Casava just cleaning up the vegetable. Loy and Casava just cleaning up the vegetable patch. As you guys see, the eggplants and cabbages. But I need to try this out. Alright guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. See you guys soon. Alright guys, so these are our other cassavas we harvested about 6 months ago. The only reason why we didn't get to using them is because we were eating lots of taro, but they've gone really bad in the fridge. Not really bad, it's just that they've been too long in the fridge, so they've gone a bit soft, so we're not going to eat it, but we're going to use it for the pigs. We'll set this aside. We'll use some of the smaller ones for the pig feed for tomorrow, but we're going to start utilizing this. So this was something we did about 5 to 6 months ago, when taro was good. And then the breadfruit started coming. We also had bananas. It's pretty noticeable in our cooking episodes. So yeah, what we did was try to peel them. What we did was try to store them in freezer. So we actually peeled them, put them in vacuum sealed containers so that they can last longer, so we don't waste food. But pretty convenient now because we have pigs, so we'll use it for the pigs. We'll save this one for eating and smaller ones for the pigs as well. I also got them some cassava leaves, so that we can use it, chop it down and throw it in there. In Samoa, these are called Manioka, but I see it a lot on the internet. I know in Fiji it's called cassava, so I'm gonna utilize them. fam, so it's been about, say, an hour. And the cassava's ready. So got coconuts and pawpaw, papaya for the pigs in there, but I'm gonna grab a few of that. And then some cassava leaves and take it down to the pigs. No joke, it smells really good. Ooh, the thought. Honestly, man, it smells really good. And I'm second guessing. I'm doubting. I'm giving these ones. I don't want to give these for the pigs tomorrow, so I think I might make a full manioka. But we'll see. It actually smells really good. I didn't think it smelled this good, man. It smells like potato. So good. Look how yellow that is. So in Samoa, we actually have two varieties, which is the white one and the yellow one. This yellow one I got it from a friend about a year ago. As soon as I got it, we planted it. So it's good we have more planting material that I set aside there. So I'm actually I think I'm gonna start making a little manioka patch or cassava patch. Just so that we can utilize this for the pig feed, but it's really good. So I actually also got my daughter to grab some of the cherry tomatoes that we have in the front that's rotting as well. So we'll throw that in for the pigs. It's going to be a nice bit of food for the pigs. Yeah, wala ba piko ya mai. Ko mai. Yeah, ko mai. We got more. Whatever. Fia ngai pua ya oi. Oi princess pua. So we're just gonna head down and feed the pigs. Join us, guys. My daughter was gonna come, but now she's not coming. I have to carry this and carry this. Alright guys, so looks like they're enjoying it. I think I'm gonna sign off now. I have to go prep the food, so also I've saved a bit of the manioka, the cassava, for tomorrow, so that'll be breakfast for the pigs. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.